afternoon, everybody. I'm doing part one on the intraday options expiration Friday on Google. And one of the things that we're going to show here on the daily chart is we had put a top in the previous day because Google's ran up super big. And the thing about it is we call that a doji in the technical world. We are the only market maker firm out here. The blue line is a 10-day simple moving average. And it tested it. That was at 1011, 1011. Today's trading range, which is very important for the option pit, $10.94 was the range. The high was $9.95. The low was $9.84. Now, here is the biggest thing for everybody to understand. I know it. You know yourself. You know what you've been doing with options. You know that you have never ever seen a call or put chart. So this is part one. $1,000 put chart. And the put chart, and when Google, we had a big sell-off, these contracts went up here to $72. Now, one thing that we do know for sure, we're a market maker in the option pit. Today, what I'm going to show you in part one is that the $1,000 put option, which is right here, this is the range, $7.20. So we hit a high of 1306 on options expiration. The entry was at $6.20. $5.80 is the low of that. The previous day's close was 8.4. So here's how it works, is that when people are buying put options like we were today, they were totally deflated. And another thing on part one that you need to realize is how to use call charts and put charts. That's the introductory. Number two in part two is how do I get the best entry better than the actual floor traders make their entries. So this is very clear on how to get the bottom. It's deflated. We have the range in the equity, which is 10.9, and we trade these every day. So today was our first day of buying the puts. They marked them down to 580, period. And we got entries there at 620. And on this $1,000 put chart, they had really got down to the bottom. And this is what you're going to learn in part two, is the difference between inflated value and deflated value. So we'll talk with you on part two. This is going to be part one. And the biggest thing is that you're going to join the free 5-day trial, and you're going to learn how we, as a market-making firm, freeoptiontrader.com, turbooptiontrading.com, we are the master, and we are going to open up your eyes, and you are going to change the way that you try to trade options, which in my view, that people who do, they don't have any real foundation, and you know who you are, you know what you are, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm giving the gift to you to understand a $1,000 put chart and what these values are and how to trade them. And part number two, we'll go ahead and bring that up.